Hey guys, welcome back to Bake with Panusami. In this video I am going to show you guys how to make eggless vanilla sponge. It's so moist and tender and easy to make. Let's get started. Before starting, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. First we need to grease a pan. I have a video on my channel how to grease a pan. Do check it out. Here I am using 6-inch pan and 3-inch height. Our pan is ready. In a bowl, add 85 grams of softened butter and beat for about a minute. Don't use cold butter, use softened butter. Butter should be at room temperature. To that add 80 grams of powdered sugar and beat for about 2 to 3 minutes until it gets light and fluffy. It will take about 3 minutes. If you are using wire whisk, it will take around 6 to 7 minutes to get light and fluffy. See? Again we need to beat for 1 minute. This is called a creaming method. Our butter and sugar mixture is ready. To that add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Try to use good quality vanilla essence. And mix well. Let's start our dry ingredients. In a bowl, add 190 gram of all-purpose flour, maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix well and keep it aside. Now we are going to add our dry and wet ingredients in 2 batches. First add our dry and fold it for a minute. Then add 90 grams of curd and 90 grams of milk. Here I used 180 grams of curd, but I would suggest you guys to go for half and half, like 90 grams of curd and 90 grams of milk. Again add our next batch of dry ingredients. Gradually add the milk, curd and flour. Do not use hand beater to mix this. Just use a spatula and fold like this. Do check out the full written recipe in description box below. Our batter is ready. It should be a thick batter. Transfer the batter into a cake pan and preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And bake this cake for about 20 to 25 minutes until toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. See, no crumbs. Let it cool completely for 10 to 20 minutes. Now let's remove our cake from the pan. This cake is so moist and tender. I use this cake in my video to show you guys how to frost and fill a cake. It's the same recipe. Do check it out. You can fill the cake frost. See, our cake is ready. Let's cut a slice. Look at this. It's so moist. You can't believe it's eggless. Do try it out and let me know how it has turned out for you. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.